Walking in a closet, you can't see.
CC on one trail, nigga. Sean John, fuck that heel figure. Girl, you need your ass kicked. Why you need your hair did? Fucking all them broke niggas. Now you know this free pussy. That's one thing I don't need. I just need some sweet pussy.
Y'all smoke weed or something? Do y'all smoke weed or something?
No, I quit that shit.
You quit?
Oh, yeah.
Sound like a bad experience.
No.
Hell no.
Tell
Fuck
me
that.
you
That was
remember
the
this
best
shit.
months of my life.
Oh, this one to the kids to the girl with the hair. This on the devil arms. You know some How about the few?
I know you better girl, her name is Maxie. Her beat is like a bunch of rules. And if I ever tell you about Maxie, y'all just say I don't know what I know.
Some weird ass nigga.
I think you can do.
Murder, she
Never really never bounce.
Hey,
Murder, she wrote. I put your face on back, character. And the kind of living car. Won't you walk it? I put your face on back, character. And the kind of living car.
You can say anything to
say girl,
Jamaican,
you're
you can actually
pretty,
go.
your face is pretty, but your character dirty. Say you know you're all too flirty,
Open
flirty.
the cabinet. No, I'm trying to eat. Trying to make a sandwich. Then I'm trying
That's
to
Cedric.
smoke me a blunt. No, I'm real happy. Till I bring it over. Baby, don't slap
My
me.
name is Ralph. Baby, come to my house. I'll show you something you've never seen in your mouth. Hey, I'm having fun tonight. Smoking on the blunt and you know I'm feeling right.
Pass me the bottle, pass me the blunt, and then I make it smoke, and then I show the front, the back of the car is where we're trying to do it. Baby, no she nasty, boy, that's how she blew it. Hey.
She wrote.
Then she said, murder, she wrote.
Hey, that's what she said. Hey, she tell me it's a murder. That pussy, it really hurts her. Doing it too hard and you know I have to work out. 7 in the morning going crazy. The morning sex is better. That body's really lazy.
Money in my hand, Kanye's work I plan. She notices how I do it. She calls me the man. Jamaican flow. Let you see my accent. Bend it over, baby, and you know about to smash it. This shit used to go on the fun shit. Still go.
Say girl, you're pretty. Your face is pretty, but your character dirty. And you know you're all too.
Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out a nigga?
All right. Not bad.
Baby got ass, y'all to call it Dennis. BS Jackson, skilly daddy when I dug it, cat
My nigga, Chris wanna be from California so bad. That nigga swear he's from Cali.
Ever since you start Kano retired, that nigga swear he's from Cali. This is my shit though.
Oh, this tight?
Oh my god.
This shit goes so hard. Just how you like it. Yeah,
Why she sings a sex song? This girl? Sings sex songs.
Girl, stop.
Y'all like twins.
Girl, stop.
Okay, y'all don't just like get some cartoons.
Girl, stop. Girl, stop playing. Girl, stop playing with me. Girl, stop playing.
Hey, drive up. Scoot up.
About to go.
Please and thank you.
So you can take your clothes off. I'm moving my clothes off. She calling me, telling me she got my favorite clothes on. I try to show the night. I'm like, fuck, I should stay home. She follow on the cell phone. Like I'm from the She said, I drove me naked, baby boy. What you wanna do? I'm like, baby, we can do whatever you know what's up. I suck that pussy up, fuck that
They turn the
she
car
said,
off.
The car is off already.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is. Why you acting so crazy?
You lying, nigga.
Oh, damn.
That's alright.
Biggie shorts, baggy belt, boxer briefs. Bitch, questions, marathons where you ought to be. Shopping sprees, spending thousands on designer jeans. Exotic women, Mercedes, Benz with bumpy seats. Pretty feet, pretty girl that blow in the breeze. It's pretty rare that she meet a nigga as real as me. Especially when she fishing in this music industry. But luckily, she fucked around and fucked with me. Surround myself with the finer things. I guess I'm Hollywood, cause I'm enjoying what my grinding bring. I'm all money in, down INC, minus the major record label.